Guys, we're at it again. You see that pepper? We're at Moe's Southwest, girl. Let's go in and get some nummies. Whoa. Place is massive. Oh, they have a Moe's value menu. Check that out. $9.95. That's super sweet. There's our menu. Look at that. Oh, looks so good. That's awesome. Mark got like a taco over there. He's gonna let us know how that is. Whoa, is it good? And BB got a little fella with some chips. And there's Care Bear. And there's the ham. Falling in love with some queso. Yeah. And I got the stack. This is like their version of a supreme taco at Taco Bell, but a lot better. It's good. Let's try it out. I want to taste a bite of this. Look how big is this thing. I can share this with my kids. Thing's bigger than my head. You can't even see me. Look. Ah, there I am. There I am. Ah. Oh my god.
How is Utah up 7-2? What the heck?
This thing is massive.
TV.
I'm sorry, but Moe's is way better than Chipotle. It's so good. So good. Their chips are better. Their sauce, their queso is better.
We're not eating.
Good. And chips.
Oh, they got put down.
Look at that bad boy. The queso is dripping. Oh, how is it? Yeah. One more. Yeah. We're gonna dip this bad boy in some queso. Moe's queso. Oh, so good.
Yo, eat that. We got this some bugs.
Down here. I went to Taco Bell and Chipotle. It was like crap.
We literally have this some bugs.
Never words. What do you like, Chipotle or Moe's? Which one? My favorite is Moe's. Mars loves Moe's. Little bar over here for salsa and stuff. Absolutely free. Look at that. Moe's, baby. Got a patio out there. Some exclusive lemonade over here. Look at that. That looks good as hell, man. Got some other lemonades here also. Look at that, man. This store's pretty massive. Look at that. Queso. Look at him, man. He's turning that queso up, man. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at them chips. He's tearing it up. Get it, him. Get it. Oh, look at him. Get it, Ken. Get a video. Come on, let's go. Get some of that queso, Ham. Get it, baby. Get it. Get some of that queso. Get it. Yeah. Take it in. Take it in. Take it in. Yeah, take it in. Yeah. Oh. Wow, the weather is still beautiful outside, man. We just got done with Moe's. It was so good. Well, that was delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button. Until next time, we will see you again. Peace out.